I've got my exhaust crossover pipe. There's the inlet, and that goes out to the two exhausts, and that's bracket snapped off. There was another bit of like a pipe bit inside it that diverted it equally between the two output pipes, but that snapped off as well. So maybe I don't know. So anyway, I'm going to try and attach it back on. I'm going to stainless steel, so I'm going to try and weld that back on, just arc weld it, just a bit of spot welding. It doesn't hold a lot of weight, it's more to hold its stability. So obviously stainless steel, it's not magnetic, not like regular, so can't stick a magnet to it, so I'm going to have to, I don't know, try and use a G clamp or something to hold it whilst I just do a bit of spot weld on the top. So I'll try that. Right, so this is how I'm ending up so far, so let's carry on from here. I've got an old arc welder, cheapest ever, probably the wrong stick. This is a, whatever it is, 61 something or other. Different sticks are for different things apparently. But I'm not going to go down to that level of detail. So let's set up the camera and without further ado do some welding. Okay. I don't know about welding, I think that was more just kind of plasma cutting really through through there. So let's get a little hammer on it and try and clean it up. So wow, look at that, beautiful. Hopefully I've not burnt a hole through the pipe, because that would kind of not be good. So that's going to be pretty hot for the moment. I'm going to try and scrape it off and wire brush it, and hopefully that should be the trick. So there we go, there's the finished product. I don't think that would pass muster with any professional welding place, because there's a big blob of weld down there, but you know, it's done the job. It's cooled down. That is rigid on there, so it's firmly attached to the bit it snapped off from. I could take a grinder to it and clean it up, but hey ho, I don't think I'm going to, because it's underneath the bike anyway and you're never going to see it. But what I wanted to do was have the, you know, this bit is on there, that ain't going to come off, so I would say that's a success for a proper bodger.